Hi guys, if you are new to Poppo app or you have been using the Poppo app but you don't know how to go about it, in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually navigate through your Poppo app and maximize it and make money on a daily basis. Okay, so once you log into your Poppo app, okay, you are going to be seeing this place. So you can see different people that are here online making their money. You can see this person, different people here. So if you go down, you can see all of them. So once you join, the first thing you're going to do is do your facial authentication. Okay, do your facial authentication. After your facial authentication, you can then go ahead and then come over here. You can see if you're a lady, you can see different people that are live. Okay, the next thing you're going to do, click on this live button here. Then once you click on it, it's going to open up like this, okay, for you to go live. I'm covering my camera because I don't want to show my face, but once you open here, you are going to see your face. First of all, make sure you select, you write, please enter the content. So write what you want to see here. Okay, maybe you can write make friends. Write what you want to see here. That's what you're going to write. The next thing, select any of these things. So you can select chatting, you can select singing, dancing, anything you want to be here, then select it. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do, make sure this is in live. Okay, if you are going live for the first time, make sure it is in live. Okay, if you want to open a party box, you have to click on party. It will open like this. You open, you select the amount of boxes you want to open. But for you that you want to do your tax, what you are going to be selecting is live. Okay, select on live and then click on go live. You are going to be live for 16 minutes, that is 1 hour. Once you're live 1 hour, after 1 hour, you close the live and go and claim your coin. So let me show you where you can actually see the tax you are going to be doing. So click here, it's going to show you your home page. Once you're here, you can see coins and points. These points are the amount I have for withdrawal. So I'm going to go over and click on rewards. Once I click on reward, it's going to show you different tasks that you are going to be performing. Okay, so you are going to stay live for 60 minutes and collect 1000 coins. And then if you also, these are other missions you can also accomplish when you are live. If you play a PK game, you are going to be collecting 2000 coins also. So, and this Christmas period, if you upload any video and it passed the review, you are also going to be getting 1000 coins. Okay, so another task you are going to be doing is to join a party for 1 hour. Okay, so once you join a party for 1 hour, you are going to be getting 800 coins, and you join for the next 2 hours, you are going to be getting another 800 points. But there's a clause to this. Okay, so once you sit on a party, you must have, before, you don't need to have anything before claiming this coin, but right now, once you sit on a party, you must have at least 800 points before you can be able to claim these 800 points on your head. So how do you get these 800 points? All you have to do is to buying coins from coin sellers. You can get coins from coin sellers. Okay, once you buy a coin from there, look for someone to exchange the points with. Look for someone to exchange the points. Once you exchange the points with that person, you'll be able to claim this your 800 coins. For this second one, all you have to do for this second one is to upgrade yourself. Upgrade yourself to the 3000 level. Once you upgrade yourself, you'll be able to claim this same 800 coins. But if you don't have money to buy these coins, there are also different ways you can actually um get free coins from here. When you are inside someone's live stream, okay, let me join one person's live stream. So once you join someone's live stream, let's join this person. So let's join this person. So once you join a live stream, you are going to see these treasure points up here. Say get free coins. Okay, so you're always going to allow it to count down. Once you count down, click on it to open and you claim free coins there. And then when you're also in a live stream, just go ahead and check for that's what is called fireworks. Okay, once you check for, once there is a fireworks, click on the fireworks. It will take you to where the firework will blow. Once you get to that place, you are going to also and you're going to also get free coins from fireworks. Okay, so those coins that you get, you can actually use them to play games to win more coins. And when you win more coins, you can also do exchange to claim your rewards. Okay, so if you look here, you can see different people playing different games and the amount they are winning. So if you want to play a game, just click on this game pad that is here. It will show you different games that is here. Just select one and play. Okay, select one and play, and then once you win enough amount, go ahead and exchange it. Don't wait till you lose all your money. So once you win any amount, go ahead and exchange your points. Okay, so this is actually how you make money, from how you can navigate your Poppo app. Okay, how you can go live, do your party games, claim your points and all that. Okay, so if you have any more questions, just go ahead and drop it on my comment. Some people ask me for agency code, and for the person that know how to play some games. Okay, just chat me on Instagram and I'm going to drop those codes for you. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.